have said in the past, shall be free, or shall die trying to be free. We are not slaves. We are not Museveni slaves. No, we are not slaves. And we shall not accept to be slaves in our ancestors' land. We are not slaves. I repeat, to you Museveni, we are not your slaves. We shall be free.